Marshall Plastic Film is a flexible packaging provider for the industrial markets. Everything that we make is used by people who manufacture something. We make everything from a 3x5 bag utilized by the pharmaceutical markets for stability testing to bags that cover automobiles in the auto plants. And so we have a broad range of sizes and materials.
Our company was formed in 1972 by Andrew Marshall Forsberg. He successfully ran the company up until the year 2000. In 2000, a company called Plasson International bought the business. And 3 years later, in 2003, unfortunately, they went bankrupt. So in 2003, my partner John, myself, and Marshall bought the business back.
We're the largest employer in the village of Martin. Today we're somewhere around 55 employees. And that growth has had a major impact on the local economy. We are the primary employer in the region. The majority of our sales are regional sales, but in the pharmaceutical market, we're truly an international supplier. We export on a regular basis to South Korea, to India, to South Africa, and currently working with companies in the old Eastern Bloc for providing them with bulk packaging needs for pharmaceuticals. We started working with SBDC in November of 2012, and we saw about a 6% increase in sales during 2013.
The SBDC's come in here and helped us to focus on what's important to us and where we need to go in the future and those types of things. The important thing that they've done is they periodically come in and review it with us, and we're able to see, you know, have we moved in that direction, and they can come up with new ideas to kind of help us in the direction that we want to go.
The strategic planning that they helped us develop and implement has been critical to our future. What they've really done is keep us focused on where we're headed